Alright, so now I've got we've got the Psylocke figure delivered by Kendall. What's up, everyone? We're unboxing a Psylocke Crimson Dawn figure. So looking forward to seeing this. As most of you know, Psylocke Crimson Dawn is one of the rarest figures in the Marvel line series. That, along with the Blue Wasp and the Silver Luke Cage, hopefully again. I want to say thank you to Kendall for delivering this to us. Very nice. Oh, there it is. So here she is. Crimson Dawn Psylocke. Not a bad figure. Not a bad package either. Just amazing looking package. Amazing looking figure. Pretty awesome. Seems like there's so few of these in existence. Looking forward to picking up the rest of the rarest Marvel Legends series.